Good afternoon, everyone. I am Tony. Today I'd like to teach you all how to do the MoHawk or spread eagle. The first thing you gotta do is spread your leg like this. Try to have a good balance. See what I'm doing? Once you feel more confident with this move, try to spread it more. This position right there. Once you get on this position, try to skate with it. Try to do this move right there. See what I'm doing? That easy. Easy peasy. If you can do it with your skate on, all you gotta do is take the skate off, go on a grass, take off your skate. I mean, you ain't gotta go on the grass for that. You could just stay right there and then spread your leg like this. It's a good exercise to loosen up your legs. Once you do a lot of practice, you will have it. So don't mind anyone who tell you can't do it. Everything is practicing. All right? My skate setup is 100 millimeter. I could do it in any skate. See what I'm saying? Same as you could do it in any skate. It doesn't matter. So let me show you all how to do it with my skate. See that? Thumb, MoHawk. Lift. I lift up my legs. MoHawk. That easy. All you gotta do is spread your leg. If you want to keep your foot straight, all you gotta do is bend. So let me show you all how to bend. Do not bend too low, do not stay too high. All right? So all you gotta do is bend on this position right there. So if you want your legs straight up, straight, stay on this position right there. So they go be straight. See what I'm saying? If you stay like this, they ain't gonna be straight. If you stay too low, you might fall. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll get it. Just put your skate on and then practice. That's what I do with my teacher, Darvin. Peace. Skate on.